Welcome to Mandarin Made Easy. Are you hungry right now? And do you want to eat something interesting? Do you want to tell your Chinese friend that you like ice cream? Or you like chocolate? Or you like cake? So, do you want to learn things like that? For example, the word hungry, food, ice cream, chocolate, cake, and many more. We will learn these things in Chinese in today's video, but not in a boring way, but in a very interesting way. You do not need to read or write anything. Just listen and speak along with me. Means that this is only listening and then speaking practice lesson. That is why it is so easy to learn Chinese with me. Okay, let's start. But a little request. Please subscribe my channel. It's a new channel. And I need your support. Okay, seriously, let's start now. So how to say I am hungry? The word for hungry in Chinese is 饿. Yes, it is 饿 or 饿 饿 饿 饿. So, how to say I am very hungry in Chinese? It is 我 means I, 很 means very, 饿 means hungry. So it becomes 我很饿我很饿我很饿 This sentence 我很饿 emphasizes that I am very hungry. But if you simply want to say I am hungry, you can simply say 我饿了 L sound shows that there is change of situation, means now you are hungry. Although it looks like a past sentence, but Chinese has its own grammar. And luckily the Chinese grammar is very simple. So how to say I am hungry? 我饿了我饿了我饿了 Now can you say it? Please tell me in comments. Okay, now that you have expressed your hunger, your desire to eat, now we will learn how to say to eat in Chinese. To eat in Chinese is 吃吃吃 Now how to say to eat food means the object of this verb. Food in Chinese is 饭饭饭 So to eat food will become 吃饭吃饭吃饭 Okay, now how to say I want to eat food? If we simply say I eat food, it will be 我吃饭. Very simple. 我吃饭. 我吃饭. It simply means I eat food. But if you want to say I want to eat food, then we will say 我想吃饭. We simply added a very small word 想 before the verb. So it becomes 我想吃饭. 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 Simply practice it and simply repeat it at your end. Try to say it 10 times at least, okay? Once more. 我想吃饭. I am hungry. I want to eat food. 我饿了. 我想吃饭. And now if you want to specify what do you want to eat, you will simply replace the word 饭 with the thing you want to eat. For example, if you want to eat a chocolate, then the word for chocolate in Chinese is very simple. 巧克力. In English, it is chocolate. In Chinese, it is 巧克力. 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 Once more. 巧克力. It sounds similar to chocolate, isn't it? So give me a thumbs up. Now I want to eat chocolate. We will say 我想吃巧克力. Yes, 我想吃巧克力. 我 means I, 想 means want or desire, 吃 means to eat, and 巧克力 means chocolate. And if you want to eat the cake, then in place of 巧克力 you will use the word for cake. The word for cake is 蛋糕. 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 Now can you try to say I want to eat cake? Please tell me in comments. Okay. It will be 我想吃蛋糕. 我想吃蛋糕. In today's lesson, we will not learn more about the types of cakes. So simply learn how to say cake in Chinese. It will be enough for today. So what is the word for cake in Chinese? Yes, 蛋糕. 我想吃蛋糕. I am intentionally repeating these Chinese words and Chinese sentences so that these words and these sentences fit into your brain. And now finally, how to say ice cream in Chinese. Ice cream in Chinese is 冰激凌. These three sounds. 冰激凌. 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 冰激凌 冰激凌 Okay? I want to eat ice cream 我想吃冰激凌我想吃冰激凌 Once more 我想吃冰激凌 And finally, if you want to ask, what do you want to eat? The word for what in Chinese is 什么什么什么什么什么 Yes. And it will be replaced at the end where the word food should come. So, if we want to ask, what do you want to eat? We will say, 你想吃什么? 你 means you. 你想吃什么? Word to word, it translates as you want eat what. This is the sequence of Chinese sentence. So, you can also ask your friend, what do you want to eat? You will say, 你想吃什么? Surely your Chinese friend will be very happy to hear it. So please give me a thumbs up at the end of this video. And if you have really learned something useful in this video, simply say yes in the comments box. And now let's move on to our next interesting video.